Hi everyone, I'm Elsa from Eibach, and this is our weekly recap. My job here is to prepare damper tube for filling by cleaning the inside of the tube, fill and test damper assemblies, install the final hardwares, bushings, rod ends, and dust boots, stamp and label dampers, and assemble leaf blocks. In this recap, we talk about the BMW M3, Porsche Boxster, and a RAV4 Prime. This week we installed test samples of our Pro Kit for the BMW M3. This M3 is lowered by 0.8 inches up front and 0.5 inches to the rear. This kit will be available to be purchased as a complete set or a pair of front springs. Release date is to be announced. Up next, we brought in Boxster for further testing. We are still evaluating the possibility of a new Pro Kit for this vehicle. This week's product feature is the Pro Leaf Kit for the 2021 to 2023 Toyota RAV4 Prime. This kit is specific for the Prime models and will lift your RAV4 by 1.5 inches up front to the rear. Get them now from Eibach.com or your favorite Eibach dealer. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more.